All right, looking at the Australian dollar, US dollar, start out the week. As noted in the previous video last week, we recently broke out of this trend line, came back, tested it, and moved up. If you're looking here, kind of indecisive, pulled up and then, you know, pulled back down, ended the day or ended the week in green. However, not a very strong move. I do think we're due for pullback, as noted in the previous video last week. I do think we'll want to come test this area right here, maybe even wick down to this. I think if it does, we'll pull back up. I do think dollar will continue to be weak over the next couple months. So I think we'll pull back. If we can move this to the day, pull out a Fibonacci. I think, if you take this level right here, you can see that we start getting, some zones, some targets for the pullback. We can see if this holds. I kind of have a feeling though that we may pull back deeper, maybe in a full retracement here and start forming kind of a sideways zone. Last week I did note that something you could be looking for is this could have been a possible left shoulder head, and we could start forming this, this right shoulder with the neckline, not the neckline, but basically this kind of holding right here. And I do think this would be probably a pretty good target. So I do think over the next couple of weeks we'll pull back. Ultimately, I do think we are bullish, and I think 0.80, kind of this level up here, is going to be the long-term target. If we take out a Fibonacci retracement and we pull back, down to here, we can pull out some extensions. Go there, pull this up a little bit. You can start seeing that we start having this 2.618 align in this area. And ultimately, from the last week's video, the stuff's starting to kind of align. So if we take this, this move down and the extension up, you can see ultimately that stuff starts aligning that way. Last week we noted that this level would be a key level coming here in the future. So I think pullback and then more upside over the next couple months.